Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Missy Bernier. This is a curl tutorial for today. I decided to do a curl tutorial because I switched up my products in the past couple months. So I kind of want to show you what my curls look like now with the products I'm using. And if you are new to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. And let's get started. I'm super excited to show you the products I'm using right now. And by the way, my curls are super blonde, so I just wanted to show you my updated look. So stay tuned. Let's get into using my curl products. Okay, before I get started into putting the product into my hair, I want to show you guys what I use when I wash my hair and what I put in for conditioner. So this is the first one I use. It's the OGX product line, and it's the Quenching Plus Coconut Curl Shampoo. You can buy this anywhere, CVS, Rite Aid, literally anywhere, Target. And my conditioner is Renewing Plus Argan Oil of Morocco. So this is what I use for the conditioner. This also helps me, now that I have the balayage in my hair, I feel like it gets kind of dry. So I like to make sure my shampoo and my conditioner kind of help with the dryness for my hair. Okay, so now that I took out my ponytail, I'm going to put in my product. I already brushed my hair, so it's not as tangly. But okay, so I'm using the Redken Curvaceous. It's for all curl types, the refiner. This is let me see if I can get this. It's literally the best product ever. So far, I really like it for my curls. It defines them so well. And right now I'm just raking my hair with my fingers, just making sure all the product is getting in my hair. There's also another product that I use too for my curls, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. Right now I'm just scrunching my hair to get the full definition of my curls. This method really helps. I've tried other methods like the rake and shake and other stuff, but I always go back to the scrunching method because I feel like it works the best. So after I use a Curvaceous Redken, after I put this in my hair, I use this other one. It's by Diva Curl. I've used this in my past videos before. It's the Light Defining Gel. Sorry, there's hair on it, but Light Defining Gel. And I just put a little bit in. I don't know why, but this combination is amazing. It just adds more definition to my curls. And right now I just use it for the scrunching method. It just really brings out my curls and everything, so I like to use it. And we're just shaking out my hair. Usually it takes about 30 minutes for my hair to fully dry. So yeah, it takes a long time, to be honest. After I put in all my products, I like to bring out my baby hairs. I know everybody uses the toothbrush method, but this also works well. It's the eyebrow pencil, the eyebrow brush. So we just bring them out a little bit. I use the Light Defining Gel to keep my hairs in the same place. And there you have it. So I have all my products in my hair. It will take 30 minutes for my hair to completely dry. And afterwards, I'll show you guys the final product and how curly my hair gets with using the Curvaceous Redken and the Light Defining Gel. So these are the two products that I use in this video to get my curls. And you can get the Diva Curl Light Defining Gel anywhere. Not anywhere, I'm lying. You can get it at Ulta, and usually you can get the Redken Curvaceous Curl Refiner at Ulta as well. This usually goes for about like $17, but they have a big one like this one and a smaller one, and I always get the bigger one because it lasts longer. But yeah, so I'll be back in 30 minutes to show you guys how my hair turned out. So see you guys then. And also, if you haven't already done so, make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys. So I'll be right back, okay? Okay, so my hair is all fully dried now. It took more than 30 minutes fully, but yeah, so this is my hair, what it looks like when it's dry after I use both these curl products. Yeah, so this is what usually my hair is a little bit more curly, but it just depends how much. I try not to wash it every week, but maybe wash it like once a week. But yeah, so this is how my hair comes out. I love the color that I have. It's more like I think it looks butterscotch to me. It's not super blonde, but definitely in pictures it's really blonde. But yes, so definitely get these products if you want defined curls. I definitely think it's guaranteed. Before I came on camera, I kind of shook out my hair, which me and my sister call it zhuzhing, where we just make it big and like really poofy. And it just depends. If you use this light defining gel, it kind of gets your hair like a little crunchy, but once you shake it out, it comes a little bit more relaxed, and it's not crunchy anymore. I think this gel is just for your hair to stay in the crunching position, but after you shook out your hair and get it the way you want it to be, it's not crunchy anymore. So yeah, so I definitely recommend these products. I use them every day for my everyday curly look. Yeah, so if you are really liking this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks guys for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.